Welcome to another lesson from the teachings of Neville Goddard. In today's message, we'll explore one of his most important principles: live in the end. This is the art of claiming your desire as already real and stepping into the state of the wish fulfilled. Take a deep breath and let's begin. We've all heard the phrase, "With God, all things are possible." But many people hear that and think God is something far off, separate, unreachable. Neville's mission is to wake you up to a deeper truth. God is not apart from you. God became you so that you may remember your divine nature and become one with God again. The same power that created the universe is within you. It didn't just dwell in one man. It lives in all of us. That power is your own imagination. That creative presence, your imagination, is Christ in you. When you say, "I am," you're speaking the name of God. The question is, what do you attach to that "I am"? Do you say, "I am broke, I am sick, I am tired"? Or do you declare, "I am wealthy, I am whole, I am fulfilled"? The key is this: can you imagine a scene that would be true if your dream had already come to pass? Can you dwell in it, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, until it feels real? That inner state you occupy, that's where the magic happens. The state you live in is the seed that grows into your reality. So rather than obsessing over how something will come about, go directly to the end. Feel what it would be like if your wish were already fulfilled. What would your friends say? How would they look at you, knowing your dream had come true? If you remain in that state consistently, your outer world has no choice but to conform. You don't chase the desire, you embody it. You become the person who already has it. Neville reminds us, it's not enough to know that imagination is power. You have to use it. No one else can do it for you. Imagination doesn't work itself. You are the operant power. He urges us to not fall asleep tonight without assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, whether it's for yourself or someone you love. The moment you feel it real, you're creating a new future. Your imagination doesn't discriminate. It brings to life whatever you dwell upon. So choose carefully. If you're constantly imagining worst-case scenarios, that's what you're fertilizing. So if imagination creates reality, ask yourself, what am I imagining right now? And here's the beautiful thing. You don't need permission. You don't need a perfect plan. You simply need a decision. What do you want? What would your world look like if it were already true? Feel it. Live in that feeling. Sleep in it. And wait, not with impatience, but with confidence, because you will see it manifest. Often, life will reorganize itself in unexpected ways to deliver what you've imagined. You may lose a job, move cities, meet someone by chance. These are just bridges of incidents, stepping stones to the outcome you've already created in consciousness. And don't worry if others don't believe you. The truth doesn't require permission. You're not here to convince, just to create. Everything that now exists in your life was once imagined. And everything that will come must first be imagined. So go to the end. Claim your desire as done. Put yourself mentally in the scene where it's already real. Give it texture, color, sound, emotion. Make it vivid. Your world will begin to change. People, events, and circumstances will be reshaped to reflect the state you occupy. You may feel resistance. You may be tested. But if you remain faithful to the assumption, it will harden into fact. This is the law of your life. Live as though it were true, because it is. And in doing so, you awaken to the creative power that has always been yours. You are the operant power. You don't have to wait. You can begin now, live in the end, and watch the world rearrange itself around your assumption. If this message moved you, subscribe, share, and return to it whenever you need a reminder. Until next time, imagine boldly, persist faithfully, live fully,